Hello students, welcome to Global Online. In today's video, we are going to discuss most expected MCQs on business management and human resource management, Unit 6 and Unit 8, marketing management. After watching this video, your concepts of these units will get revised. So the first question says, the managerial function of organizing involves reviewing and adjusting plan in light of changing conditions, then establishing a program for accomplishment of objectives, then creating structure of and functions of duties to be performed, and getting things done through others. So students, generally functions of management is a very easy topic, but still questions are asked, and here the examiner gives you the functions name and you have to identify the appropriate statement. So see, in the option 1, reviewing and adjusting plan, so it is related to that is controlling. Okay, so this will not be there. Establishing a program, it is related to planning, so this will not be there. It is in context of organizing. The most appropriate option here is option 3, that is creating a structure of functions. Here structure of function is created and you are what type of duties you have to perform you are told. Okay, so here option number 3 will be right answer, and getting things done through others, that is directing. So option number 3 will be right answer, getting a structure of functions and duties to be performed. Before moving ahead, there is an important information for you. If you want to crack the upcoming NT UGC NET June 2026 exam from commerce subject, we have bought the complete crash course on commerce. In this course, you will get live lectures, recorded video lectures, complete syllabus notes, weekly test, full syllabus based mock test with explanation, 4000 plus MCQs and PYQs with explanation. And the biggest advantage is, if you take the paper 2 course, you will get paper 1 completely free with all same facilities. Still you have time by using both live and recorded lectures. You can complete your syllabus. The new batch starting from 8 June, fees is 10,000, but after discount you can get both paper 1 and paper 2 in 8,000 only. Okay, to join, download the Global Online app from Play Store and contact on the given numbers by WhatsApp. Which of the following is not true about matrix organization? It is relatively permanent. The project manager's authority is distributed reasonably. Then there is a slow information processing, and the project heads have to share resources with the functional heads. Okay, so here students, you have to identify the not true means the false statement or incorrect statement in context of matrix organization. Matrix organization is an organization which is a combination of both functional as well as project organization. Okay, it is relatively permanent, so this is correct, this will not be there. Okay, project manager's authority is distributed reasonably, so this is also correct. There is slow information processing. The information processing is in matrix organization is not slow, it is fast in nature. Okay, and that's the reason the people who works under the both project heads as well as functional heads, they get confused. And here one major principle, that is unity of command, is purely violated. The project heads have to share the resources with the functional heads. This is also correct, so our right answer will be option number 3. There is a slow information processing is not true about the matrix organization. Let's see the next question. Examine the following assertion and reason and choose the correct answer. So here assertion and reason are given to you. Assertion says a manager delegates authority, and the reason says the manager wants to shrink his responsibility. So here a very easy question there. Manager delegates authority. The assertion is completely true, and if a manager is delegating authority, it doesn't mean that he shrinks his responsibility. Okay, so here assertion will be true and the reason will be false. Okay, so A is correct but R is incorrect. Let's see the here again assertion and reason based question is there. So assertion says high morale and high productivity go hand in hand, and the reason says workers do not have their own ways for relief from fatigue and monotony. So students, here generally the first assertion, that is high morale and high productivity, goes hand in hand. Okay, whenever your morale is high, you the work more productively you work. Okay, so both go hand in hand. Then if you talk about the reason, workers do not have their own ways for relief from fatigue and monotony. So students, this statement is incorrect. Why? Because every people has its own way to get relief from fatigue or monotony. Suppose if I am working or doing anything which is To reduce my boredom or reduce my monotony, what I will do, I will play songs in the background. Okay, so our assertion will be true here and the reason will be false. Okay, due to this not have word, the not word, the reason will be false here. Find out the correct combination of statements with regard to business ethics and choose the correct answer. Here you have to identify the correct statements which are correctly in context of business ethics. Business ethics are the behavior where a business adheres to in daily dealings. Then the ethics of particular business can be diverse. Then business ethics have normative and descriptive dimensions. So here students see business ethics are the behavior a business adheres in its daily dealing. So this is correct. The ethics, so wherever A is not there, we will skip that option. Okay, so it's our C will get the move. Okay, the ethics of particular business can be diverse. So this is also correct. So here B is not mentioned, so this will not be there. Okay. Then the business ethics has its normative and descriptive dimension. So this is also correct. So here all the three statements are correct. So option number 4 will be our right answer for this question. Arrange the following in order to choose the right option: promotion, performance appraisal, recruitment, and training and development. So students, what will happen first? So first of all, whenever it comes to such type of such type of questions, recruitment is done. After recruitment, what is done? Selection is done, but selection is not given. So the process will, the correct option will start with 3. Okay, then selection is not given to us, no matter. Then training will be there. Okay, so our after third, fourth will be our second option. So here if you see, it is starting, you directly gets the answer here. So 3 4 2 1 means then first will be recruitment, then training and development, then performance appraisal, and after you work perfectly, you will be get promoted. So option number 1 will be right answer for this question. Here again assertion and reason is there. In real terms, worker participation in management has failed in India, and the reason says there is a lack of attitudinal change, multiplicity of unions, and absence of a procedure to determine the sole bargaining agent in an organization. So students, here if you see that the real terms worker participation in management has failed in India, means it is not much successful in India. So the assertion is true, and the reason is that there is a lack of attitudinal change, means people don't want to change the attitude, multiplicity of union, and absence of a procedure that determines a sole bargaining agent in an organization. So the assertion and reason are true, and the reason is correct explanation of A. So option number 1 will be right answer for this question. Which of the following factors lead to group cohesiveness? Agreement on group goals, then high intra-group competition, then frequent interaction of members, and personal attractiveness. So you have to select the correct answers from the given code. So group cohesiveness. Okay, group cohesiveness you have to identify. So here the major thing is, whenever we talk about the group cohesiveness, there will be agreement on the group goals. Okay, high intra-group competition. Within a group, how the competition will not be much high. So option B will not there. Okay, then frequent interactions of members. Okay, the member interact frequently, and the personal attractiveness. Okay, so our right answer will be A, C, and D. Option number 3 will be our right answer for this question. Which of the following is a deterioration of mental efficiency, reality testing, and moral judgment that results from in-group pressure? Harassment, groupthink, group burnout, and group control. So students, whenever a situation arises where is a deterioration of mental efficiency, reality testing, and moral judgment which results from the group pressure, it will be groupthink. Okay, means people start thinking that whether our group is should essential or not. So option number 2 will be our right answer. Next question. Corporate culture is generally considered as closed and threatening, or open or participatory. Okay, it has two types, either a open culture or a closed culture. The reason says corporate culture and style of functioning of top managers is an important factor for determining the internal environment of the company. Okay, top management has a vital role to determine the internal environment of the company. So here the assertion is true, the reason is true, and both are in same context, so reason explains the assertion correctly. So option number 2 will be our right answer. Both A and R are correct, and R is correct explanation of A. Let's see the next list 1 and list 2 matching. Managerial grid, Hawthorne experiment, trait theory, and ERG theory. So if we managerial grid will go with it was given by Robert Blake and Johnny Mountain. So option number 3. Okay, so A3 should be there. Okay, here no matters. Hawthorne experiment will go with Alton Mayo. Okay, 3, then 4, then trait theory will go with Charles Bid, and then ERG theory will go with Aldafer. Okay, so in this way, option number 2 will be right answer for this question. Which of the following is used by the strategic marketing planning process? Resources based provided by the firm's strategy, then economic impact of additional sales, then tactical plans must be implemented by the entire organization, and basis for any marketing strategy. Means strategic marketing planning means long-term marketing planning. It is related to, and what is in which of the following is used. So whenever we talk about the strategic marketing planning, here it is a basis for marketing strategy. Okay, it is used for formulation of the marketing strategy. So option number 4 will be right answer. Select the phases of the product life cycle. You are given with initiation, decline, boom, then introduction, maturity, and growth. So generally students, they have merged the phases of the business cycle as well as the product life cycle. So you have to identify the PLC stages of the PLC, product life cycle. So decline will be there. Okay, decline will be there. So B should be there. Okay, so here B is not there, and here also B is not there. Okay, then here the after decline the introduction should be there. Okay, so D should be there. Okay, D and B must come together. Then here other than this, the maturity should be there. B, D, E and F. Okay, so B, D, E, F. That is option number 3 will be our right answer for this question. Let's see. The number of product lines a company carries is called product range, product mix depth, product mix width, and product mix length. So students, generally the number of product lines which a company carries is nothing but the product mix width. Okay, if we talk about the depths are the versions. Okay, like suppose in veg items you see that paneer butter masala, chili paneer, veg handi. So these are the depths. Okay, certain versions. Okay, then whenever we talk about the length is the number of items in a particular product line. So option number 3 will be the right answer for this question. Assertion says differential pricing structure is designed to accommodate various categories of buyers, and the reason is it aims at increasing sales and revenues and driving competition out of the market. So here students try to understand differential pricing structure is generally designed to accommodate various categories of buyers. Means various categories of buyer means here prices are differentiated as per buyers. Then the increase, so the main motive that sales increases and revenues and the competitors move out of market. So here this is incorrect. So our assertion will be correct and reason assertion is correct and reason is incorrect. Option 2 will be the right answer. For promoting sales, advertising endorse may be made as per competitive parity, objective and task tied sales, and all one can afford. So you have to select the right answer. So whenever we talk about the advertising to promote our sale, advertising endorse may be made as per, it should be made as per competitive parity. Okay, it should be made as per objective and task of the company, and all one can afford. Okay, here tied sale has no use. So option number 3 will be right answer. 1, 2 and 4 only. When a company distributes its products through channel structure, includes one or more reseller. It is known as indirect marketing, direct marketing, multi-level marketing, and integrated marketing. So students, whenever products are distributed by through the channel structure where includes one or more resellers, means manufacturer will provide to wholesaler and wholesaler will provide to reseller. So in such case, this is nothing but the indirect marketing. Okay, whenever a product is marketed from directly manufacturer to the end consumer, it is direct marketing. But if intermediaries are involved in between, it is indirect marketing. So option number 1 will be the right answer. Consumer buying from different stores or products brands and not being loyal to any particular store or brand are known as split loyal, hardcore loyal, shifting loyal, softcore loyal. So students, whenever we talk about the different stores or product brands and not being loyal to particular store, okay, means suppose if I go to a grocery shop and daily I am changing different grocery shop or brand. So let's take another example. Suppose if one day I go to have an ice cream of Amul, another day I want to go to have ice cream of Dinsha, on third day I want to go to Haldiram store to have the ice cream. So here this is split loyal. Okay, so option number 1 will be the right answer. Hardcore loyal is what you are stick to one particular brand. Shifting loyals, you keep on shifting between another brands to get some goodness. And softcore loyal means what? You reduce your shiftness. So option number 1 will be the right answer. The 4 unique elements in case of service sector marketing is independence, intangibility, inventory, and inception. Then independence, increase inventory and intangibility. Intangibility, inconsistency, inseparability, and inventory. And intangibility, independence, inseparability, and inventory. So students, wherever inception word is there, so this is not a service characteristic. Okay, here independence is there. So this is not here increase is there, so this will not be there. Here due to this independence is again here, so this will not be there. Our right answer, the 4 major characteristics of service are intangibility, inconsistency, inseparability, and inventory. So option number 3 will be right answer in this question. Which of the following is not a form of direct marketing? Kiosk marketing, telemarketing, supermarket, and catalog marketing. So here students, kiosk, tele, and catalog, both are the all the 3 are examples of direct marketing, but supermarket is not any sort of direct marketing tactics. So option number 3, supermarket will be the right answer. Distribution logistics, also termed as market logistics, does not include distribution channel, inventory, transportation, warehouses. So whenever we talk about the distribution logistics, market logistics, does not include. It includes transportation, it includes warehouses, it includes inventory, but it doesn't includes the distribution channel. So option number 1, distribution channel, will be the right answer. So that's all in today's session. I hope you might have understood all questions. Thank you. See you in next video. Bye.